What is the primary goal of artificial intelligence? A. Replicating human intelligence. B. Solving complex problems. C. Automating tasks. D. Enhancing decision-making processes. Answer. Replicating human intelligence. Which programming language is commonly used for developing AI applications? A. Python. B. Java. C. C++. D. JavaScript. Answer. Python. What does the acronym milliliter stand for in the context of AI? A. Machine learning. B. Memory loss. C. Multiple layers. D. Mobile learning. Answer. Machine learning. Which AI technique is used for teaching computers to learn from data? A. Neural networks. B. Genetic algorithms. C. Expert systems. D. Reinforcement learning. Answer. Machine learning. What is the name of the AI system developed by IBM that defeated human champions in the game show Jeopardy? A. Watson. B. DeepMind. C. AlphaGo. D. Siri. Answer. Watson. Which subfield of AI focuses on creating systems that can understand and generate human language? A. Natural language processing. NLP. B. Computer vision. C. Robotics. D. Expert systems. Answer. Natural language processing. NLP. What is the process of training a machine learning model with large amounts of data called? A. Supervised learning. B. Unsupervised learning. C. Reinforcement learning. D. Deep learning. Answer. Deep learning. Which company developed the popular deep learning framework TensorFlow? A. Google. B. Facebook. C. Microsoft. D. Amazon. Answer. Google. What is the term for the ability of an AI system to improve its performance over time without explicit programming? A. Machine learning. B. Artificial intelligence. C. Reinforcement learning. D. Self-learning. Answer. Reinforcement learning. What is the name of the AI system developed by OpenAI that achieved superhuman performance in the game Dota Bay? A. AlphaGo. B. Watson. C. AlphaStar. D. OpenAI 5. Answer. OpenAI 5.